Crafting a winning strategy is paramount for business success. This guide outlines 6 essential steps to master the art of business planning and create a strategy that drives results. 1. Define your vision and mission. Start by clarifying your business's vision and mission. A clear vision provides direction and purpose for your strategy. 2. Conduct a SWOT analysis. This analysis forms the foundation for strategic planning. 3. Set SMART goals. Setting SMART goals ensures clarity and accountability in your strategic planning process. 4. Develop strategies and tactics based on your SWOT analysis and SMART goals. Develop strategic initiatives and tactical plans to achieve your objectives. Identify key areas of focus and allocate resources effectively to implement your strategies. 5. Monitor and evaluate progress. Regularly monitor and evaluate the progress of your strategic initiatives. Track key performance indicators, KPIs, and adjust your strategies as needed to stay on course and achieve your goals. 6. Adapt and innovate. Remain agile and adaptable in response to changing market conditions and emerging opportunities. Embrace innovation and continuously seek ways to improve and evolve your strategy to maintain a competitive edge. By following these 6 steps, businesses can master the art of business planning and create winning strategies that drive sustainable growth and success. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.